Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Rahman. Welcome to AI Design Infomist. I come back with another informative video. As you may have read the title of video, how to download and install Filmora9 premium account with no watermark lifetime activation. So I will show you a legal way. This way your PC will not expose to any viruses. In this video, I will share you a method how to crack Wondershare Filmora9 or crack any paid software. I will delete or privately listed this video after a few months. My channel is new. On this channel you will find various software related, various online earning websites related, animation templates and many informative videos. So please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and share this video with other people like friends and family. Now back to the topic. Watch this video to the end. So let's get started. Open the browser on your PC and type Filmora in the search bar. Click on the first link of this web page on the Wondershare Filmora official website. And now download from here. And look, Wondershare Filmora is being downloaded. It's now downloaded in my PC. Click on this Filmora setup. Now install Filmora on your PC. Install. It is being installed on my PC. Now Filmora is installed on my PC. Now open this PC or my computer on desktop. Click on uninstall or change a program. Then uninstall Wondershare Helper Compact. Add the image and after uninstall close this. After uninstall Wondershare Helper Compact, run Wondershare Filmora. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to open. Now Filmora is open on my PC. Now back to the browser. Open new tab and type serials.ws.org. This site contains serial keys for various paid software like Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, etc. Some of these serial keys will work and some will not work. I use Filmora's serial key, it is running. Close Filmora from your PC and in this site type Filmora in the search bar and click on search. Click on the Wondershare Filmora and a new tab will open. Copy email and registration code from here. Now again run Filmora in your PC. During Filmora activation, disconnect your internet. Click on the help menu and then click on the activate Filmora9 and it show you unactivated Wondershare Filmora9. If you have license code, please click here to activate Filmora. Now back to browser tab. Copy email from the and copy registration from here. Turn back to Filmora and click on activate. It show me Wondershare Filmora has been registered. Okay. Make sure during activation your internet connection is off. Again click on help, then click on activate Filmora 9 and look, Filmora 9 Wondershare Filmora 9 activated. Your license has been activated successfully. Okay. Now you can take advantage of the pro paid features of Filmora and now you export your edit video without any watermark. Subscribe to AR Design Infomist for more informative videos and share my channel or video with other people. Thanks for watching. See you in the next informative video. Allah Hafiz.